Okay, so in this one, I'm going to show you how to edit your contact page. Now, I'm assuming you've gone through the other tutorials and you'll see that the Elementor is great because it's, even though it's a different page, it's still basically is the same thing. So we'll go to the back end, we'll go to pages and we'll find contact. And again, hover over, right click, edit with Elementor. And then we'll just wait for the page to load. So you're aware that the loading time of this page is all dependent on the speed of your internet. So as you can see, I'm hotspotting from my iPad, which is a bit faster than the Vodacom router that I've got in the office. That's why it's loading quicker. If you've got a slow ADSL line or a Telcom mobile that's capped at 4 megs, the page will take a bit longer to load because it all depends on your downloading speed for your internet. So as you can see, it's loaded up. Again, you can just change whatever you want there. You can change your color. This one here, we've got 4 columns. Now, I'm not too sure in the previous one, I think it was the About Us, where you've got a column that we can change. So if you wanted it bigger, you could click there and just drag and drop, or you could change the width, the size and of the width there. So there's the contact number, there's the address, there's the address again, there's the title. So in case any numbers change, what we've done here, okay, so you'll see here, if we click on this, let's just work from left to right. So each one of these is basically a duplicate widget, just with different content. So under contact number, on the left hand side, you'll see contact number, and this here is what we call a break, but we've used the HTML coding. So if you had to get rid of that, you'll see that the number now here is on one line and it's split. So that's why we put the break sign in, so it goes underneath. So as you can see here, we've got the number, but it's clickable. Can you see on my mouse, I've got that little finger. That shows link. So tell with a colon and the number instantly makes that number a link. So if someone's got Skype or phone or whatever, if you had to click on that, right, that will load up the phoning device that they've got, the phoning software that they've got on their laptop, their iPad, their tablets, their phones. It would actually ask you to start making the phone calls. So that's why we've done it, to make it a bit more user friendly and quicker interactive with the users. Same thing goes here with the maps. Now what we did was, to get the map link, it was actually quite simple. I'm just going to load, here's the contact page, and I'm going to click on this link here. So what I did was, we went on to Google and we found the address that was provided to us, and all we did was we clicked on the link here, and I'm on a Mac, so it's Command Copy. If you're on a Windows machine, it's Control C. Sorry, I'm Command C, and on Windows it's Control C. And then we just went back here and we pasted it into the link. Now when you publish it or update it, you'll see that this is a link now. When you click on it, the page loads. So that's how we managed to get that loading on Google Maps. And then we'll go back to Elementor side. You'll scroll down a bit. Again, I've just showed you how to access your contact form. Same thing applies as the withdrawal page. Again, you've got your placeholder. If we had to take that out and put it there, you can see that it will appear. Okay, maybe the writing's white. The placeholder's writing is white. So let's just see here. Maybe the way this is done, that we put the margins. Okay, so we'll just delete that. But again, put it in the placeholder. So if you see here, we've got a drop down. So now subject, there's the label. And now all this is selected as a drop down. And if I drag here, there's inquiries, complaints, accounts, payments, product delivery issues, and others. So now, if we were to go to the contact page, you'll see now that's what the clients have to use. So when they click on that and type your message and fill out the other details, this will appear in your email, letting you know what the email is about. On the right hand side here, again, as you can see, it's just different widgets. And again, you can see it's just plug and play, and that's how we've operated it. It's very simple. It's, if you get stuck, then you're more than welcome to give me a shout, but just remember, if you delete it, you've got your history button down the bottom here, and don't update, but that's how you would edit your contact page. And yeah.